This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the headset off and disconnecting any cables. This prevents shorts and preserves settings. Once done, remove the ear cushions by gently pulling at the seam so you can access grills and foam. Keep track of left/right. Lay parts on a towel to avoid scratches. Use a soft brush to dislodge loose debris from creases before liquids. These initial steps speed up deeper cleaning and protect delicate components while giving you clear access to the areas that matter most. Next, clean the sensitive surfaces with care. Dampen a microfiber cloth with 70% isopropyl. Squeeze out excess. Then wipe headband, plastic shells, and connectors. This removes oils and kills microbes. For grills and seam lines, use a cotton swab or soft brush. Compressed air can blow out embedded dust but keep it short and at an angle. Remove and wash cushions with mild soap, rinse, and verify they are fully dry. This combination cleans thoroughly without driving liquids into electronics. Finally, reassemble by aligning cushions and snapping them back into place. Plug in and power on to test audio and controls. Make sure battery is charged and do a quick Bluetooth reconnect if needed. If you hear distortion or uneven volume, reset the headset per the manual and repair your device. That often resolves firmware or connection glitches. If physical buttons or ports remain faulty after cleaning and resets, stop and seek authorized service. Don't attempt circuit-level repairs yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.